The benefits of using apple cider vinegar for acid reflux. Acid reflux is a form of indigestion where stomach acid flicks into the esophagus and throat. This can be very painful, triggering a sore throat, burning sensations in the chest, bloating, gas, and irritation of the vocal cords. In today's video, we will explain the root cause of acid reflux and how apple cider vinegar can be used to treat the underlying problem. 1. There is a small muscle valve in the esophagus that stays tightly closed to prevent stomach acid from flicking upwards into the throat. This is called the lower esophageal sphincter, or the LES. 2. If this valve becomes weakened and loose, stomach acid can leach upwards into the throat, which is known as acid reflux. 3. The stomach acid is normally very acidic, between 1 to 3 on the pH scale. However, if the stomach acids are too alkaline or above 3, then the valve becomes weak and acid reflux becomes a problem. 4. Apple cider vinegar is well known as a natural remedy for thousands of different health problems. Because it is acidic, it helps to strengthen the stomach acid and bring the pH down back to its natural levels. 5. As the stomach becomes more naturally acidic, the LES valve closes and acid reflux is no longer a concern. This makes apple cider vinegar one of the easiest and most simple remedies for treating this problem. 6. People with acid reflux also suffer with indigestion, bloating, gas and heartburn because their stomach acids are too weak. 7. With weakened stomach acid that is too alkaline, the body struggles to break down proteins, fats and carbohydrates. This means you absorb less nutrients, which then leads to many other health problems. 8. Simply drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water before each meal. This will strengthen the stomach and help to close the valve. 9. You may also take a daily supplement of betaine hydrochloride, another healthy acid which helps to close the valve and boost digestion. 10. You may be wondering why the stomach became too alkaline in the first place. This is usually because we consume too many refined foods, which depletes our body of important nutrients that are needed to build stomach acid. 11. Cutting out refined foods and consuming healthy fats and shellfish helps to fortify the body with nutrients that it needs to fix the stomach acid. 12. Try to consume a diet filled with foods rich in potassium, iodine, vitamin B3, zinc, and always use sea salt with your meals. 13. The apple cider vinegar drink mentioned earlier will help you to absorb more of these nutrients, which strengthens the autonomic nervous system, closes the LES valve, stops acid reflux, strengthens digestion, heals the esophagus, and protects against many other health problems. 14. We highly recommend consuming mussels, crab meat, sea kelp, avocados, beet tops, and lots of leafy greens to help build healthy stomach acids. 15. If you cannot tolerate the taste of apple cider vinegar, try consuming it mixed with extra virgin olive oil in a salad dressing. 16. Alternatively, you can purchase apple cider vinegar capsules. Be sure to check the labels to ensure that there is no maltodextrin or artificial bulking agents in your chosen supplement. We will recommend some good quality products below the video. 17. If you have had your gallbladder removed, you may have more acid reflux when you consume fat and oils. If this is the case, be sure to take a daily supplement of ox bile to help your stomach digest fats and absorb fat-soluble nutrients. 18. If your acid reflux is painful right now, try elevating your bed at one side so that you sleep at a slight angle. This helps to keep the acid from flowing upwards when you lay flat. 19. Be aware that common drugs like antacids, proton pump inhibitors and Tums have many side effects and will actually make the stomach acid weaker, leading to more problems in the long term. 20. Natural solutions such as apple cider vinegar, betaine hydrochloride and digestive enzymes are much healthier for the body and can actually help to fix the underlying cause and not just treat the symptoms. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.